I'm going to be showing you how to connect eFootball with a friend. So here's how to connect and play with a friend in eFootball. So the first thing you need to know is to add your friend if needed. You just need to open the game, and once you're here, you just need to look at the top where you can see this friends icon. Just go ahead and tap here, and then you can find all the friends you have. So if you don't, then you just need to tap on this option of pending right there. Once you tap there, you have this option that says send friend request. Just tap here and enter the username of your friend and send request. And once you do so, hopefully they accept, and then you have a new friend. After you do so, you just need to go back to your home page and you just need to tap on match. After you're here, you just need to tap on friend match, and then you can just create a room, set a password, which is optional but recommended, and you can also have match settings, and then all you need to do is invite your friend, and then you can just start the match. So that's how you connect eFootball with a friend. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.